Give me a big dog.
Holding drops of rain. And on the west side of the range runs the winding river. And between the range
Chicken
stands the
and goat
homestead of my
and a bad pig. Here at the farm life, we got a goat
I was traveling
and a
down
baby
from
goat
Long Reach back in
and a big old
1966.
fat pig. Big, 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 big.
Drought was
Big, big, big.
on the sheep
And a chicken.
cattle run.
Where's
My
that goat?
stomach
Hey,
was
baby
as
goat.
empty as the water in my
Super independent. Just
when
amazing
a
young man.
tempting jug was
Decided he was
filled
gonna get on it. So I
at the
walked him through it,
homestead of
and now he's getting the feel of it. And Mama, what do you
And
think?
when the job was finished
Growing up
and I
way
knew
too.
I had to leave,
So Mini X
my
and
eyes
a tractor,
were
it's coming
very
along.
misty as